Good morning to one and all present here. I welcome our chief guest, respected HLP of Guru Poonam ma'am, Nabrata ma'am, respected principal ma'am, respected our vice principal ma'am. To make this day blessed with a blessing of Ma Saraswati, I would like to call our guest, Dr. Rajesh sir. Please come forward for limelight.
Manashri, my mic.
Rakshi sources सारे updates. Now, we welcome our all honorable guests. Firstly, we are glad to have Dr. Dangi sir with us. 24 years of experience, he has completed Ayurveda in BMS. I request Sabina Miss to felicitate our honorable chief guest.
दो गाड़ियाँ ना दो गाड़ियाँ एक स्पॉट
Of HLP Poonam ma'am. Our honorable member of trust, Namrata ma'am. Our respected principal, Dhanashri ma'am. Our respected vice principal, Sneha ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Sabina miss. Everyone on your is welcoming you all on behalf of our HSP High School for this event of National Science Day. As the respected principal ma'am, staff and entire school community gathered to commemorate National Science Day and pay tribute to Sir C.V. Raman. Let me once again extend a hearty greeting to you all. I want to thank everyone for their valuable and priceless time. Notably, the achievement of certain Indian scientists have gained their respect on a global scale. One of such noble man, Sir C.V. Raman, who developed the Raman effect. In India, National Science Day is celebrated on 28th February every year in honor of Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. National Science Day is celebrated under the National Council of Science Technology to create awareness in the society about the benefit of science and create scientific attitude. National Science Day is celebrated to mark the discovery of the Raman effect. The discovery was announced on 28 February 1928 by Indian scientist Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1930 for discovery. Famous scientist Dr. Vasantrao Gowarikar in 1987, when he was a Secretary Department of Science and Technology Government of India. One of many schemes he initiated was the celebration of National Science Day on 28 February every year to create a science environment in the country. It occurred Dr. Vasantrao Gowarikar that India's only Nobel Prize Science was awarded to Dr. C.V. Raman. If the day was associated with him, also rather than choosing his birth or death, why not choose the date on which he submitted his essay to world famous science magazine Nature, and who went to win the Nobel Prize in 1930, and the date was 28th February. Now I would like to call Ran Sapna from Standard 9. She's going to share some information about Sir C.V. Raman. So please give a round of applause.
Good morning, respected teachers, principal, honorable guests, and all my dear friends. Today we are all gathered here for celebrating the National Science Day. Myself, Yuna Gupta from Standard 9. The National Science Day is celebrated in India on February 28 every year. This day is celebrated to mark the discovery of Raman effect by the great Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman. Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman was born on 7 November in 1888 at the Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. His father's name was Chandrasekhar Iyer. He was a physics teacher. His mother's name was Parvati Amma. At the age of 12, Raman passed his matriculation in first division. He became a graduate in 1904. In 1907, he passed MA examination in physics. He secured the highest marks in the examination. He was awarded a gold medal for this extraordinary performance. Since his childhood, he had an insecure boy like Sir J.C. Bose. He was not ready to accept anything unless he was fully satisfied. He wanted to know why and how everything, but he was a clam boy. He was always busy in his idea, pondering their basis. Being inquisitive boy, he would see sky, rain, rainbow, and clouds. He used to think about them for hours. His inquisitive nature helped him a lot about his discovery, which is known as Raman effect. The discovery was made in 1928. It made him famous throughout the world. For his discovery, he won the Nobel Prize in 1930. Thought he was passed away on 21st November in 1970 at the age of 82 in Bangalore. He is still remembered even today. He was the first Indian scientist who got the Nobel Prize in physics. In 1958, the government of India honored him with Bharat Ratna every year. The National Science Day celebration aimed to highlight the achievement of our famous Indian scientist Sir C.V. Raman. The event for National Science Day is celebrated across the country in schools, colleges, universities, and Indian Research Institute. The National Science Day creates awareness about the importance of science in the daily life of people. National Science Day brings an opportunity to focus on the issue related science and technology. Thank you.
Thank you, Mira. Now, I would like to call Ishita Gupta from Standard 8 to share with us one short poem about Chandrayaan. So please give her a round of applause.
My name is Ishita Sujit Gupta from class 8. I will say poem about Chandrayaan. चंद्रयान की टीम ने देखो कैसा अद्भुत काम किया, युगों युगों से सूत काटती अम्मा को आराम दिया। यही चांद मांगा करता था मोटा एक झिंगोला, इसी चांद का मुंह टेढ़ा था, यह थी वो अलबेला। अब मैया से जिद न करेंगे, बाल कृष्ण मुस्काएंगे, चंद्र खिलौना हाथ में लेकर लीला नई रचाएंगे। और हम भी अब पास से जाकर देखेंगे बस दूर के, और न कहेंगे चंदा को हम चंदा मामा दूर के। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Ishita. Then I would like to call Avni Gaikavan from Standard 8 to share with us one short poem about science.
My name is Avni Avinash Gaikar from 8th standard. I will say a poem on science. Everything works because of science, even your old kitchen appliance. What about your mom's car? Without science it will not go far. With science we could make a computer or a phone. If you want a twin, just ask for a clone. Science will explain nature's entry. It is also used to find cures for disease. Science is cool, the evidence is clear. It's so much fun. Enjoy it, my dear. Thank you.
Thank you, Avni. Very nice. Now we will turn over to our science exhibition. Today's our exhibition is based on 5 elements on nature. Everything in nature is made up of 5 basic elements. Panch Tattva. Panch plus Tattva means 5 elements or the Panch Mahabhutas. These are Prithvi means Akash, earth, Jal means water, Agni means fire, Vayu means air, and Akash means space. Each element is individually rich with its own core embryonic energy. But the whole do they play in our daily lives? Earth is our home. We drink water, to live air provide us oxygen, to cook food and operate machine with fire, and space, the whole universe. So let's start our science exhibition today and encourage our students who have worked so hard to organize today's science exhibition. So give a huge round of applause for them first. Now I would like to call our respected Dr. Dangi sir. Please come forward and cut the ribbon and do the opening ceremony of our science exhibition.
Our project name is hydrolysis in JCB. Hydrolysis refers to the force exerted by a fluid, typically a liquid such as oil, water, within a confined space or system. It's commonly used in various applications like hydraulic machinery, automatic brake system, and industrial processes. Hydrolysis generated is utilized to perform work or transmit force. Thank you. Now my friend Ishita tell you about Pascal law.
Pascal law states that any pressure applied to a fluid inside a closed system will transmit that pressure equally in all directions throughout the fluid. This law is the basic principle that causes hydraulic power in heavy construction machine to work. It is also the principle that causes power grids on automobiles and other vehicles used in transportation industry to work. इसका मतलब होता है हम लोग किसी एक जगह पे फोर्स लगाएं और वो प्रेशर ऑल डायरेक्शन में इक्वली फ्लो हो, उसे हम लोग पास्कल लॉ बोलते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल हम बलून लेंगे तो वो बलून वाटर से भरा एक बलून रहेगा, उसमें हम लोग होल करेंगे तो वो जो वाटर उसमें से निकलेगा तो वो वाटर उसमें से ऑल डायरेक्शन में इक्वल क्वांटिटी में निकलेगा, इसे हम लोग पास्कल लॉ बोलते हैं। थैंक यू। Now my friend Himanshi tell you what is hydraulic JCB project.
Okay.
JCB stand for Joseph Cyrus Johnson. This is a company that makes construction and agricultural machines. We are making very model of JCB. This is working model of hydraulic JCB. It is help us increase our interest of science. Thank you.
Morning, ma'am and sir. This is our project named Popcorn Machine with the candle power twist. We creating a simple popcorn machine using tin cans and harnessing the power of a candle. Project overview. We use materials, tin cans, candles, and transparent plastic sheets. This is the main base of popcorn machine. We put candle here. This popcorn machine is eco-friendly to our nature.
Very nice.
First we made the base of popcorn machine and then we cylindrical bucket and upper cover we gave one kit. This popcorn machine is due to one candle and heat generated by the candle on popcorn heat transfer.
Okay, fine. Show us.
Safety. We take all safety and precaution for fire. We put on water spray bottle with our sevel for emergency to exit a fire.
हाँ चलेगा चलेगा। बोलो हो गया सबका? Done. Very good.